నిన్నటి వరకు తమిళనాడు సర్కార్ అనిశ్చితిపై దేశవ్యాప్తంగా తీవ్రమైన చర్చ జరగగా ఇప్పుడు కేరళ సీఎం ఎవరనేది ఇంకా తేలటం లేదు. ఫలితాలు వెలువడి 6 రోజులు గడుస్తోంది. సీఎం ఎవరన్న దానిపై ఇంకా స్పష్టత కనిపించడం లేదు. కేరళ అసెంబ్లీ ఎన్నికల్లో కాంగ్రెస్ నేతృత్వంలో యూడీఎఫ్ విజయాన్ని సాధించింది. సీఎం ఎంపికపై ఢిల్లీలో ఏఐసీసీ చీఫ్ మల్లికార్జున ఖర్గే అధ్యక్షతన ఈ సమావేశం జరిగినప్పటికీ సీఎం పేరును మాత్రం ఇంకా వెల్లడించలేదు. ముఖ్యమంత్రి ఎవరనే దానిపై ఇవాళ స్పష్టత వచ్చే అవకాశం కనిపిస్తోందని తెలుస్తోంది. మరోవైపు కేరళలో పర్యటించిన ఏఐసీసీ పరిశీలకులు ముకుల్ వాస్నిక్, అజయ్ మాకేన్ కాంగ్రెస్ అధ్యక్షుడు మల్లికార్జున ఖర్గేకు నివేదికను సమర్పించారు. ఈ క్రమంలోనే గత రాత్రి ఖర్గే నివాసంలో కీలకమైన సమావేశాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. ఈ భేటీకి రాహుల్ గాంధీ, కేపీసీసీ అధ్యక్షుడు సన్నీ జోసెఫ్, సీఎం పదవి రేసులో ఉన్న బీడీ సతీశన్, కేసీ వేణుగోపాల్, రమేష్ చెన్నితల హాజరయ్యారు. సీఎం అభ్యర్థి ఎవరనే దానిపై ఇంకా చర్చలు కొనసాగుతూనే ఉన్నాయని ఏఐసీసీ ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శి దీపాదాస్ మున్షి చెప్పారు. ఇంకా తుది నిర్ణయం తీసుకోలేదు. పార్టీ కార్యకర్తలు, మద్దతుదారులు సమన్వయం పాటించాలన్నారు. నాయకత్వ ఎంపికపై అధిష్టానం సమిష్టిగా నిర్ణయం తీసుకుంటుందని తెలియజేశారు. మరోవైపు సీఎం ఎవరనేది ప్రకటించే ముందు మరొకసారి చర్చించే అవకాశం ఉన్నట్లు తెలుస్తోంది.
What are the barriers, sir? Why it has
no barrier at all? Everything is solved.
So, will it be VD Satishan or
that it is up to the High Command?
It is yet to be decided. That means
Why High Command will take the appropriate decision at the right time.
Individually, also we spoke, and they have given their guidance. For last 2-3 days, there are some over-enthusiastic workers, and some unruly incident happened in Kerala. People have given us landslide majority, and those unruly incidents are not our Congress culture. So we are requesting all the workers to stop this kind of activity. And also, very soon, I think in due time, we will get the final decision by our High Command, and we are waiting for that. In due time.
How many time it will take? Due means?
Due time is 23rd is the last day. So due time means due course of action should be taken on due time. No final decision has to be taken by the High Command. That is what one line resolution all the MLAs have signed, and that we can't say this is the final decision of our High Command.
കാരണം ഇത് ജനങ്ങൾ നൽകിയ വൻപിച്ച മാൻഡേറ്റാണ്, വിജയമാണ്. കേരളത്തിലെ ജനങ്ങൾ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നതും ഐക്യജനാധിപത്യ മുന്നണിയുടെ ഏറ്റവും മെച്ചപ്പെട്ട ഒരു ഭരണകൂടം, ജനങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഭരിക്കുന്ന ഭരണകൂടം ഉണ്ടാക്കാനാണ്. അതിനിടയിൽ നിർഭാഗ്യകരമായ ഒട്ടേറെ സംഭവങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടായിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതെല്ലാം ഒരു പഴങ്കഥയായി അവസാനിപ്പിച്ചിട്ട് ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും പാർട്ടിക്കാരാണ്. പാർട്ടിയാണ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാത്തിനും പരമപ്രധാനം, ജനങ്ങളാണ് പരമപ്രധാനം. അതുകൊണ്ട് ആ തീരുമാനത്തിന്റെ വെളിച്ചത്തിൽ ഇന്നിപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ നേതാക്കന്മാരായിട്ടുള്ള കോൺഗ്രസ് അധ്യക്ഷനും പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിയുടെയും തീരുമാനത്തിനനുസരിച്ച് വ്യക്തമായിട്ട് അതനുസരിച്ച് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നവരാണ് ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും. അതുകൊണ്ട് എല്ലാവരും കൂടി ഈ കാര്യത്തിൽ സഹായകരമായ നിലപാട് സ്വീകരിക്കണം. എന്റെ പേരിലോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രമേശിയുടെ പേരിലോ സതീഷിന്റെ പേരിലോ ആരെങ്കിലും വ്യക്തിപരമായിട്ട് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നതിനും തെറ്റില്ല. പക്ഷേ മറ്റുള്ളവരെ മോശമാക്കാനോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബോർഡ് വെക്കാനും പ്രകടനം നടത്താനോ ഒക്കെ പോകുന്നത് ഇനി മുതൽ അവസാനിപ്പിക്കണമെന്ന് വിനീതമായിട്ട്